we're going to read pages 2. You guys can open to page 2. All the way to page 11. So you're going to stop when you get to the end here. Yep. We do not have to read the compared text today. Okay? We will read that next week. All right. If you want to use your whisper phones, you may. Alina, will you read for me?
Fox family was building another home. The new door was under a big tree. Patty and Paws were not old enough to help Mama and Papa Fox. Children, why don't you make a house nearby?
Let's look back at this word for a second. Can we break it apart so that we use this first sound? Pre, and then ready? Let's look at that. Pretend. So what kind of house are they making? A pretend house. I have a question for you before we continue. Why couldn't they help their mom and dad? Why couldn't Patty and Paws help their mom and dad?
Because they were not old enough.
They weren't old enough. Good. All right, keep reading for me, sweetie.
Why don't you make a pretend house nearby? Papa Fox said. Let's see who can build the biggest room, said Patty. Paws shook.
Nice self-correction. Good.
She said, let's see who can build the strongest.
All right. Before you continue, let's talk about that word hurry again. How could we use hurry in a sentence? Because hurry means to go fast, right? Like we need to rush. So how could we use that in a sentence?
To run fast in the race to win.
Oh, nice. I love it. We can hurry to run fast in the race to win. All right. Thank you for taking the time to think about that. All right. You can keep reading, okay?
Are the themes in the final and talent show lessons worth sharing with others? So you'll need to make a judgment whether or not you think that the theme is worth sharing with others. And either way, you're going to use evidence from the text to support your claim. Based on what you just read, Caitlin, how does it relate to the theme of the story?
It relates to the theme because she's trying to get better and better so she can take the forwards position and start playing on the team again.
Okay.
And the theme is keep trying and you'll get better.
So what detail would you use to support your position?
I would use it. I'm trying to figure out how to say this.
I agree with what you said. Now, what detail from the text supports the theme? Show me where you read that.
Well, the text said we could have done better. She wants to do better so she can try and get back on the team. So she said we could have done better, and she was really determined.
I am going to ask you to do something after each section. So you'll know it's a new section when you see a new, what do we call these? Heading. Good. When we see new headings, you're going to read that section. When you get to the end of a section, I want you to come back to this sheet and just quick in the learned box for that section, write what you learned. Just one key fact is good enough. Okay? So that's going to be a good way, Ava, for you to check your own understanding. After each section, write just a quick thought what you learned. Now, I do not want you to copy a whole paragraph from the book onto your paper, because if you're just copying, are you learning it? No. So after you read, ask yourself, what was that mostly about? What is one sentence that I could put on my paper that I learned from that section?